Hey guys, this is Fam. I'm back with another Linux quick tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to customize your Ubuntu desktop with a floating dock. So for that, the first thing you need to do is install Google Chrome on your desktop, which is very simple. You don't have to type any commands. Just go to your browser, just go to the Google Chrome site and just download the google chrome.deb file, and I have a very short tutorial about how to install Google Chrome on your Ubuntu desktop. You can check that out. I will also put the link of that video down in the description of this video. So which is very simple. So once you have installed Google Chrome, just go to Google Chrome, and this only works with Google Chrome, guys, so make sure to install Google Chrome first. Go to your Google Chrome and then search for GNOME extensions, and then go to extensions.gnome.org. Also, you can find the link of this page down in the description of this video. So once you go to this page, click here to install browser extension. So I'm going to click it and click on add to Chrome, click on add extension, and as you can see that the extension has been added here. This is the one, this one actually. So once you have added the extension, what you're going to do is reload this page. You can reload it, or you can go to extension and then select GNOME shell integration. Alright, now here I'm going to search for floating dock, and this is the one I'm looking for, so click it. Now what I'm going to do is go to the terminal. Alright, now here I'm going to type this very simple command, which is sudo apt get install chrome-gnome-shell. Press enter, type my password. Alright, so once I've done that, let's close the terminal and reload this page. And alright, now actually I think this is not the dock I'm looking for. Let's go back real quick and let's just select this one, this second one, floating dock, and let's click on this button here, turn it on, and let's just wait and click on install. Alright, and we have a dock here. Yup. So this is our floating dock. So as you can see that you can move it around, you can place it wherever you want, maybe let's say here. Alright guys, so the next thing that you're going to do is go to your Ubuntu Software Center and here search for extensions and install extensions. Click on install, type your password, and once I've done that, search for extensions, and here what you can do is, if you want, you can hide your default Ubuntu dock by deselecting this one, and as you can see that the old dock is gone and you can now only use your new floating dock wherever you want. So that was a simple little trick, and you can go to settings here for floating dock, and you can do some tweaking here, I believe. So you can change the icon size, and you can also change the dock direction. So if I select right here, so let's see what happens. So this is gonna look like something like this. So you can put this at the bottom here like that. So yeah, you can do all these sorts of tweaking on your dock. And so yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I hope this video is helpful, and if it was, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. That will really help the channel grow, and I'm trying to reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year, so help me out, guys. Help this brother out. So stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.